this is what you're going to see as a new beginner. So I'm going to take you step by step on how you're going to get this and make it done in next few minutes. So just watch out as we play it go. So this is what you're going to see as a new beginner. So we teach you how you're going to make this happen. Okay, so I'm gonna take you through on all this. So how you're going to do this if you want to be earning more. This is as a new beginner, you see ×1. So but if you want to earn more, you see this here. I'm going to take you through on all this, so how you are going to make it go higher. So let's now go in full. Hello guys, if you are watching this from your YouTube, make sure you subscribe. If this is your first time of watching on YouTube, make sure you subscribe, click on notification, so at any time I release a new video, you will be among the first people to receive a notification. Click on that bell so that you can get notification anytime I release a new video. So here I will double on how you can be earning Bitcoin every day. If you are having your smartphone, you have the privilege to be earning BTC daily. So if you have money, you can subscribe on it to be earning more. You increase your earning. So if you look at this your screen right away, you will see what I'm earning here. If you see here, you see it is ×2. So this is where you have your work to do. Enable mining. So this is how it will be for a start. So when you click on this enable mining, it will ask you to verify if you are a robot or a human. Sometimes if the system finds that you have been coming regular, it will automatically sign you in. So your mining will peak immediately you click on enable mining. So if you look at this place, you will see this is the current BTC that I have mined so far for a while now. So I have made my withdrawal here. You can withdraw. So this is where you can withdraw. So this is real. So let's check on withdraw. So you see this I have to verify. So if I will continue to this, so if you want to withdraw history, so my own withdraw history, you see I have withdrawn many times here, so it is real. So let's go back. Then if you want to see other people's withdrawal too, so this is it. Check the status of this one. So what I'm showing you here is legit, it's real. So you see the blockchain, right? You see the date. So what we are doing is real. So check this. You see? So what we are doing here is real. So what you have to do is go to description button, click on the link below it. You will see the link for you to download the application and start your mining immediately. So you don't need to waste time. So dive into it immediately. So see many withdrawals that have been here. So all these things you are seeing here is not a joke. It's not a joke. So just what you need for you to withdraw is only but 0.000100 BTC. Once you have 0.001, you are free to withdraw. That is why you can see many 0.001, because many of them are trying to verify if this thing is paying or not. Okay, so make sure you click the link below for you to get the link to download the application, whether you are using your Android phone or you are using your Apple phone. Is in Apple Store, is in your Play Store. So anyone you are making use of, make sure you get started immediately. Download the link, download the application, make it your default. So once you make it your default, click on the enable mining, so for you to start your mining immediately. So let's go back. So like initially this is what you are going to see. So if you see this when you are starting, just what you have to do is click on this place, CryptoTab dashboard. So click on it, it will take you to your home page. Okay, so for you that have money, that you are looking for where to invest your money, here is a good place for you to invest your money. Invest money here and you'll be getting back every 3 hours. Just look at what I'm going to do right away. This place now we're coming. I'm gonna click here now and you see what will happen here. Zoom, you see automatically it's in peak. But for you that is starting, you will see verify that you are not a robot. So make sure you verify for you to continue. So anything they ask you to do, you do it for you to continue. So you see this now. In next 3 hours, I have to come back. I don't have to be here regularly. So what I just need, I have to perform my tasks. So for me to come back, I will come back in next 3 hours. So if I come back in next 3 hours, I have to enable it again. By that 3 hours time, it will stop. So I have to enable it. So as this thing is leading, it's generating BTC for you. As this is leading, it's generating this BTC for you. So you see the value of dollar is down. You can see for now it is BTC is below. So you see it's $32,000, $32,407. That is BTC. So this is what I have done so far. So you have to do what? Click below. You see, just click on description. You will see this link that I'm going to drop. But if you don't see the link or you are watching outside the YouTube, so what you just need is to message me on WhatsApp on this number 08068935127. So just message me there 081636893 5127. Okay, message me on this number and I will give you direction on what to do on your WhatsApp. So just message me on WhatsApp on 080 okay 08068935127. I will get back to you and direct you on what you have to do. Okay, so next thing I have to show you is for you that want to have money, that you want to subscribe, you want to increase your mining speed, because here is your horsepower. Here is your horsepower. So here determines what you earn. Okay, so for you that is free, here will be 1. This you are seeing 2. I make payments for me to be in 2. So here is 1 for you. Here is 1 for you as a free user. You can use it freely. Okay, so me, I make payment for this for ×2. So now I want to show you how you can make your own payment if you want to increase your mining speed. If you want to increase your mining speed, just come to this place. You see this place, click on it. Okay, you see I'm in ×2. So I want to unlock more or more boost so that I will be earning more money, more dollars. So you click on it. You see they have 1 month, they have 3 months, they have 6 months, they have 12 months. But I want to give you the secret. If you want to earn more, go for higher months. You will get more discount. than 3 months, 1 month. So you just look at this now. You want to go for this. You want to go for this times 5. For me, you will see for you that want to go for times 2 as a new beginner, you will see 3,000 plus. So, but because I have subscribed for that package, it will no more be here. So that is why you are seeing this times 5. So times 5 means that I want to increase my earning times 5. Then times 10, I want to increase it by times 10 times 15. So, and this is the money. 28,000. This is 18,500. This is 9,570. So this is for 1 month. Yeah, this is for 1 month. Now let's go for 3 months. You will see the discount that we give you. Yes, can you see now? Discount for this one minus 18. So they give you 18% discount. You pay 7,833 instead of 9,007 something. Then here that is 18,500 something, you pay 16,000. And here that is 28,000, you pay 24,000. You see the discount. Now let's go for 6 months. Yes, so you see 6 months give you 26% discount. You now pay 7,000 instead of 9,000. Then in 6 months for this 10 times, you pay 13,000 instead of 18,500. Then for this one, you pay 13,333 naira instead of paying 24,000. You see how the discount is reducing. This is for 6 months. But now let's go for 12 months. You see how many discounts you are going to have. So now let's assume that you are going for 6 months on this times 15. You see how much you are required to pay. 80,000. You're required to pay 80,000 for 6 months. But now let's see for 12 months. You see 12 months what you are going to pay for each. So in 12 months you will pay discount of 76%, which is every month they will calculate 6,666 naira. So in that one year, which is 12 months, you are going to pay total of 80,000 and you will be earning times 15. Okay, so then this is for 6 months. 6 months has the same amount with 12 months. Imagine. So instead of you going for 6 months, are you not going to go for 12 months and enjoy for the whole year, mining and eating your dollars? So this is the only cheapest way you can be making legit money online now. So how you make your legit money online? You can make free, you can subscribe to be any more. So anyone that you feel like, you just pick it and subscribe, and that is how your earning money started. Okay, so that is it. Once you want to do it, you just click on confirm. So you make your payment with your card, and that is how your earning will increase. So that is it, my guys. So if you haven't subscribed on my YouTube channel, make sure you do that. Subscribe, click on notification, so that anytime I release a new video, you will be among the first people to receive notification in your email. Okay, so I love you all. Make sure you keep tuned to my channel and share this video to others that it will benefit. Click below to make sure you get the link to join this legit platform. Okay, or you can message me on 08068935127. Okay, make sure you message me on WhatsApp so that I can give you some guidelines on what you are going to do to make sure you are earning a very big legit money online. Okay, so love you all. Have a wonderful day ahead. Bye.